How strong is the support at 2010 levels proven out yet again? I have mentioned several times in the recent times that 2010 is going to be a very strong support. Precisely, gold achieving the levels has reversed and traded with the modest bullish bias. Yes, on the upside, it failed to break beyond 2026 levels here. Now, what to expect today from gold? How we can profit? What is going to be the simple strategy to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get twice a day updates. Second update will be released before the US session. Do like, share, and comment. And if you're not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships and enjoy the benefits. Let's start first to look into our. Now look at this trend line. This trend line is coming from the daily charts and how beautifully it is respected on the hourly charts as well. Yes, there was a breakout but failed to sustain. See, almost all the candles are respecting this trend line. This is the beauty of analysis here. Now, on the upside as well, right now we are seeing lower highs 2026, 2024 zone proven out to be a greater resistance here on the upside. What has happened? We have seen it retracing. Now it is starting to look downwards with the modest bearish bias. Let's see how far it can. I think 2018 levels should be a very good support here on the downside. This complete zone on the downside 2018, 2014, very strong support exists here. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in retracement mode. It is not yet reversed. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, higher lows, retracement. Low. See, it is getting a push from the upside here, not willing to stay bullish. See, all the candles staying below 2024, 2026 zone, which is proving out to be a greater resistance here. But see, it is not showing signs of bearishness as well as of now. We have to watch out if it breaks below 2018 levels. Certainly little more bearishness can be seen, but still, as long as 2010 2012 is respected, do not treat gold as bearish. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI flat. Coming to 3. What has happened on the 3-hour charts? After the drop, price is retraced towards the 2050 period moving average, which is proving out to be a great resistance zone here. We have to watch out more carefully in and around this zone. Any breakout beyond 2026 levels and then above 2030-32 zones should be considered for a reversal. The stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over and again trying to diverge. This is sign of bulls here. This is sign of buying here, but let's watch out more. RSI also trading with a modest bullish bias. Coming to 4 hour. Similar is the observation on the 4-hour chart. There is a push from the upside and none of the candles try to close above 25-26 zone. We have to watch out at these levels. Bullishness getting diminished here. At the same time, support levels you should look at. See, support levels at 2018 are very strong, and then as long as 2014 2010 levels are respected, we have to be careful here. One must note that sharp drop, retracement, and if it breaks here on the downside, it is going to lead towards to a sharper drop. Also breaking out beyond this trend line and closure of any candle below this trend line certainly should be a sign of bearishness. The stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here for a buy, one bullish candle. Possibly it could yield more bullish candles from here. RSI rising, coming to daily. On the daily charts, this is the trend line which I am talking about. It is beautifully getting respected here on the daily charts as well. Yesterday again it tried to breach but failed to close below and closed on the upside. Now look at today where it has started. It has started on a flat note. It has already created lower highs. Now before we look into further detail and I share the trading strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Register yourself now. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Visit the platform forexfunda.com and do join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Forexfunda.com has much more information, the economic calendar, the live charts, the community, and yes, you can also book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance with respect to any of your existing position or any futuristic prediction you want me to make. Also, this is completely free if you are part of our webinar series where every Sunday we discuss the nitty-gritties and details of the markets for the coming week. Do register for the webinar. Now coming to the daily charts again. See, first of all, one must note that preceding candle was a swing candle with lower highs, lower lows. Again today it has already started the day on the lower highs. Thus it is important, if you see it is staying above 2026, that is the only point above which we can say that it is trying to or it will try to move towards 2030-32 zone. And once it stays about 20, 30, 32 zone, that is the point of time we can say that it can aspire to achieve 36, 40 zone. After that, again, that should be the call for the reversal. Gold appears to be trading with muted bias as of now. It is neither willing to break on the downside nor willing to rise. Yes, it is showing very muted movement as of now. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bearish, RSI is almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy 2026 levels. And see, selling at 2018 can be, or sells at 2018 can be taken, but you have to be cautious here. Very strong support at 2014, 15, first support levels, 2010, 12, next support levels. Very strong support exists here. Uh, Critical level for the day is at around 2014, 2015 levels, below which certainly we can say that the bears will take over. You have to wait for a candle closure below 2014 in order to confirm further bearishness. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between at least 2018 to 2026 levels and largely between 2010 to 2032 levels. This $20 zone is going to be a critical swing zone, only above and below which you can confirm the bulls and bears. Take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my webinar series, mentorship batch and signals channel. Do watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much.